Hey, in this section of our Beyond series, I show you the delayed actions of the Flow Builder. Please note that this feature is only available from the Beyond plan, and I also assume that you have a basic knowledge of the Flow Builder. If not, please watch the corresponding video on our knowledge channel or get the information from our documentation. In general, the time-delayed actions allow you to send automated emails such as ask for a product review after a selected period of time following an order. So let's get started. To start, just open a flow where it makes sense to include a time-delayed action. I used the example from the documentation, so the flow for order placed. In the tab General, as usual, you find the general information, and on the flow you can find the trigger and the action. This, how you see it, is the standard, and now we want to add a time-delayed action. So before we now select an action that will be triggered by the trigger, we can now set a delay. For this, click on the plus button and choose Add Delay. There we have the choice to set a value when the following action should be executed. These options are possible: hours, days, weeks, month, and custom. If you select custom, you can enter an individual value in the format months, weeks, days, and hours. But for our example, I'll stay with weeks. After you select an option, another window pops up with the delayed duration. So in our case, I'll just select 2 weeks and then I'll click on Save. After that, I've got the possibility to add an if condition or add an action, or if I want to, another delay. For our example, I'll just add the action. So select Add Action, and then you've got, the well-known possibilities here. In our case, I want to send an email. So I'll select the Send Email action, click on Continue, and then we've got this pop-up menu here. We've got as usual, we've got the drop-down menus as we know them from our email templates or the other flows. Here is the reply to address. We've got our recipients and the respective email templates. In our case, it's the rating request. So I'll just select it here. And if I want to, I can also select documents in the last drop-down menu. I'm happy with my settings here, so I'll just click on Add Action. And as you can see, my action is all set and I've got the delay of 2 weeks. So after that, just click on Save. And then we've got, then the tab Scheduled Actions appears. So as soon as your flow has been triggered, for example, by an order, it will be listed in this tab then. In the list you will find the delayed actions with an overview with the information, order number, customer, delayed action of condition, time remaining, scheduled for, and so on.